Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a watermark to YouTube video. What you need to do, first just choose the image that you have. If you don't have any image, then just you can go to Canva. It's free to use and create an image. You can go here, logo, and just you can choose any of the template here, or you can just create an image from scratch. If you already have the image, then just go to YouTube and then click here in the profile icon, go to YouTube Studio, and then here you see dashboard content. Just scroll down and then click customization. Then click branding. Here just scroll down and you will see here video watermark. Just click upload. After that, choose the image. If I choose this one, then here you can resize the image. For example, here, if you want to make it smaller or bigger, and then click done. And then here for the display time, you can choose when you want the watermark appear, if end of the video or enter video. For example, if I choose enter video, or you can even custom start time. If I choose enter video, then click here. Now publish. This is what you need to do if you want to add watermark to YouTube video. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.